Hi there, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to use the repeater component in Salesforce Flow. Select Screen Flow and create a new resource. We're going to create a variable resource type and give it an API name. Let's say opportunity record, and this is a record variable and the object is opportunity. Click on Done. Add a screen element. Drag the repeater component onto the screen. Give it an API name. We'll add other components onto the repeater component. First, we'll be using the text component. Let's call this opportunity name. And the API name automatically populates. This is a required field. If you look at the opportunity record, you will see that some fields are required. The opportunity name, close date, and stage fields are required, and we're going to be using these three fields in our flow. Next, we'll drag the date component onto the screen, and let's call this close date. Require. Add the pick list component to the screen and call it stage. Check mark the required checkbox. The resource type is pick list choice set. Let's call it stage name, and the object is opportunity. The data type is pick list and the field is stage. Click on Done. Give the screen component a name. Let's call it create multiple opportunities. And then you can configure the header and footer. I don't want the pause button to show, so let's hide that. Hide pause. Click on Done. The next element we'll be using is loop. Add the loop element and give it a name. Let's call this loop through repeater components. And we're going to be looping through the screen flow. Select the repeater and select all items. And we're iterating from first to last. For each, we're going to be using the assignment statement and give the label a name. Let's call this add opportunity. Add opportunity values to variables. Well, let's say assign opportunity values to variable and add to collection, or just give it any descriptive name. Select the opportunity record variable that we created at the beginning of this video and select the field, the name field. Loop through current item from loop and then select opportunity name. Repeat the same thing for other fields. Close date equals loop through repeater, close date. Stage equals loop through repeater, stage. We're going to add another. This time around, we'll be using a new resource, and it's going to be a collection variable. Collection record variable. The data type is record, and we want to allow multiple values because it's a collection variable and the object is opportunity. Click on done, and the operator this time around will be add, and we'll be adding the opportunity record variable to this. So in this assignment statement, we're performing 2 steps. After looping through, we're going to be using the create element outside the loop, the create record element. Ensure that you do this outside the loop to avoid performance issues and to avoid hitting governor limit. So give it a descriptive name. And we are creating this from a record variable. We're creating multiple records at once. So we select that and use record collection variable. Next step is to add a fault path. And this is best practice. Always add a fault path to your flow. And this is to ensure that whenever the flow fails, an error message is displayed to your user. So we'll select flow and then fault message. You can format this as you want. Give it an API name. Give the label a name. Let's call this error screen. Configure your header and footer. Click on done. And add another screen element to display success message. Congratulations. Your opportunities have been created. Let's give this green. Make it bold and centralize. Let's give this success message and give the label a name. Success screen. Done. And then save. Give your flow a descriptive name and always ensure to add description to your flow. This is best practice. Create multiple opportunities using repeater. Save. Okay, we have a name. This name already exists, so we can change that. Now let's debug. Okay. Let's say repeater opportunity. Now, just for your information, we can have 30 instances of the repeater component in Salesforce Flow. But for this video, we'll be using just 3 instances. So let's call that repeater opportunity 3. Click on next. Yeah, and then the records have been created. Let's go back to our opportunity record to check. Yeah, we have all these records created. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.